Good morning, students. So welcome back. Okay. So how are you? Okay. Very good. Are you ready for the class? Yes. Are you ready for your class? Okay. Today what class? EVS. Today is an EVS class. I have written there EVS. Okay. Today is an EVS class. So let us start, children. So you know that we have started chapter number 3, water or water. Okay, I have written there water or water. We have started there, and this is in your term 1 syllabus. And in a previous class, we have done up to page number 20. We have done up to page number 20. So we will start from page number 21. Okay, I have written there page number 21. We'll start from there. Look, all of you must have your book. I think all of you have your book with you. Looking around EVS, yes, you should have a book and a pencil. What I will tell you, write down in your book, in the book itself, okay, with the pencil. So let us start. Water or water. So, water from where? This page. Water from where? In the poem, see here in the poem you read about rivers, lakes, waterfalls and spring. We get water from all these places. You have seen also in the previous page question also there. Write the places where you find water. Okay. So we get water from all these places, means we are getting water from what? River, waterfall, lake. Okay. From where do you get water? Put a circle around those places that are either in your house or around it. Some places are given, some water sources are given. You have to circle them according to what they are either in your house or around it. Okay. So page number 21. Page number 21, yes, I have written there page number 21. Okay, see here I am writing put, question is put a circle, you will circle, you don't have to write, you will circle those water sources, okay, water bodies, which is either in your house or around it. See the question, put a circle around those places that are either in your house or around it. See, I am writing the name. This is from page number 21. Okay, page number 21. Okay, so I am writing the name. You don't have to write it, you will circle those places. See, well, answer, well, you will circle well, tube well, then pond, hand pump, Okay. Then river is given. If river is around your house, nobody can have river in your in the house. Around it you can have. If you want to circle it, you can circle it. But you circle tap, then tap, then tank. Okay, you will circle these water bodies. Put a circle around these water bodies which is either in your house or around it. Well, tube well, well, tube well, hand, pond, hand pump, tap, tank. Okay. Next question. Have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? Okay, I am writing if I am denoting that question as question number 1. Next is, have you seen hot water Have you seen hot water? Have you seen hot water? Okay, now you can see the board. Yes, I think. Okay, have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? Question mark. See all of you see your book. It is in your page number 21. I have written there in your EVS book. Okay. Have you seen hot water coming out of the ground? Where? Where? Yes, I am writing this answer. You will write also in the blank space. Okay. There in the blank space, white bit space is there. You write there. Yes. In Suraj Kund. Haryana. It is in Haryana. Okay. Write down that one. Okay. In the book itself you will write. Okay. Now I am rubbing this one. This water bodies I have circled, well, tube well. I am rubbing this one. Okay. I will write there the next question. Okay, next question is, see after that there is another question, does any river flow through your village or city? If yes, write its name. See, it is your own opinion. Okay, if any river is flowing through your village, you will write, or your city you can write. You can write Ganga if it is flowing through your city or okay, or town. Okay. I am writing this for Burdwan, for I am living in Burdwan, so I am writing this name for Burdwan town. Okay. So, see here, does any river, now that is question number 2. That is question number 1. Okay, question number 2. Does any river flow through your village or city? If yes, write its name. If yes, write its name. Okay, you will write, this is your own opinion, you will write this one. Okay, so I am writing for Burdwan, as I am living in Burdwan, so it is for Burdwan town. Which river flows through it? River Damodar. River Damodar passes through Burdwan town. Okay, Burdwan town. If any other having any other answer, you can write. If there is river in other town, other place, okay, in the villages, you can, if there is any river, you will write. If there is no river, such river, you will write no. It is your own opinion. Okay, next one. Okay, I am rubbing this one. Okay, question number now. Question number 3. Which is question number 3. Do you know the names of any river? Yes, it is a very good question. This is a common question to all. So you will learn this answer. Yeah, actually you have to write the names of river. Do you know? I am writing the question. Do you know the names of any rivers? Write their names. Write their names. So, let me write name of some river. Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi, Chenab, Satluj, Brahmaputra, etc. So these are the names of some river. Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri also you can write, Mahanadi, Chenab, Satluj, Brahmaputra, etc. Okay, I think all of you are writing. I have written also. So we will go to the next part. Means at the bottom some questions are given. See here. Okay, I am rubbing this one. Question number 2 I am rubbing. Question number 3, question number 4. Look at this question. At home, see all of you, you can follow at the bottom of the page. You refer to page number 21. At the bottom of the page, see the question. At home, I am writing the question. That is, I denote that one as question number 4. At home, at home, where do you get at home, where do we get drinking water from? At home, where do you get drinking water from? Question mark. You can see this question at the bottom of the page. See page number 21. Okay. So answer, write. See one blank space is there between question number 4 and 5. Okay. Say here you write down with pencil only. At home. Small answer. At home, water comes from, no, at home, water comes from the pipelines, in the taps. After that it is filtered. Okay. First of all you have to write, you are getting the water from the pipelines in the taps, then we are filtering that water, and then you are getting from water filter. Okay. You write in this way, at home water comes from the pipelines in the taps. Okay. So I am rubbing this one, name of the river I have written, I am rubbing this one. We will go to the next question. Okay. Do you have to go far to get water? How much time? Okay. Question number 5. Do you have to go far to get water? Do you have to go far to get water? How much time? See here, your answer is no. In towns and cities, water is supplied, towns and cities, water is supplied to home through pipelines but in town cities water is supplied to home through pipelines but in villages water is to be brought from distant places, See there, if it is answer is a little bit bigger, so what you will do, you will write this question in your EVS copy, EVS notebook and write the answer there. Okay, short answer you will write there in the book itself. Okay, so do you have to go far to get water? How much time? No, in town cities water is supplied to home through pipelines. Yes, water is coming through pipelines. See, we are municipality, municipal corporation, okay, is supplying water. But in villages, water is to be brought from distant places. Okay. 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 One question is there, we will do up to that question. Another question, question number 6. Okay, it is a short answer, you can write there. Do your neighbors bring water from the same place? Yes. Do your neighbors bring water from the same place? It is, answer is yes. See, I have marked it here. The question is, question 5 is, do you have to go too far to get water? How much time? No, in town cities water is supplied to home through pipelines, but in villages water is to be brought from distant places. And another question is, this is short answer, I have written yes only. Do your neighbors bring water from the same place? Means those who are living in the villages, see, they have to go to far places. No, so your neighbors also have to go. So yes. And if you are living in the towns and cities, water is supplied to homes through pipeline. Okay. Okay. Okay, students. Okay. See you again. So today up to this much. Okay. Today up to this much. From page number 21, we will do the next 3 questions. What is left means we will start from why do we need to store water. We will start from there. Okay. See you again in the next class. Hope you will be fine. You will be fine in your home. You will be safe. You should be safe at your home.